Hey guys, it's Julie here and welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to make these 3 lovely cake toppers, so let's get right into it. From the Cricut design space, I click on text, and the first one I'll be working on is Team Bride. And the font I will be using today is called Magnolia, which I have purchased from Font Bundle. If you're interested in this font, I will leave a link in the description box below. Okay, so let's enlarge it and click Ungroup. Let's bring Bride up and start moving some of the letters closer together to make sure they join nicely. So I need this heart to come down and join the eye, so what I do is click on a circle and just hover over the heart and select the circle and the eye together and click Slice, and this should enable me to move the heart further down and just delete that part. There we go. And I'm just going to tidy it up a little bit more, and I think I'm quite happy with that, so let's select all and weld it. And this is all nicely joined up. So next we'll be working on Bride Squad. And just like the first one, I will ungroup all the letters so I can start moving them closer together. If you guys have enjoyed my video so far, then I would really appreciate it if you can click the like button down below so that this video can reach out to more people and learn something new today. Thank you all so much. And let's do the same again for the eye. I'm quite pleased with the way it looks, so let's select all and weld it. And there we go. Next one is Bride to Be. And the same thing, I will ungroup it and move all the letters closer together. Okay, so let's select all and weld this as well. So that is done, and I think I'm going to make them roughly 2 inches wide. And I think I'll make this one just slightly bigger so they look more like the same sort of size in the font. And let me know what you guys think, which one is your favourite so far. So for this tutorial I'll be cutting it in pink, so let's get this prepared. I'll just save it to make sure I don't lose my work. Okay, so let's get the cardstock ready. So the cardstock I will be using is the 250 GSM. It has a nice thickness to it, and also I will be using the light grip cutting mat, so it will be easier to weed the cake topper. Here goes. So the setting I will be using is the one just above poster board. This will cut the cake topper twice to give it a nice clean finish. So here we go. And here is the final look. I really liked how it turned out, and I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this tutorial. Let me know which one was your favorite. Please do give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing if you want to see more, and I shall see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.